Some mobile banking apps feel free until you hit fees for overdrafts, instant transfers, or premium features that slowly add up over time. By the end of this, you'll know 5 apps like Current that don't charge a monthly fee, and what each one is actually better for in everyday use. First is Chime. Chime is one of the closest alternatives because it focuses on no-fee checking and savings with a simple mobile interface. It works best if you just want spending, saving, and direct deposit without dealing with traditional bank structures. Second is Ally. Ally Bank offers a more complete online banking setup with checking and high-yield savings options, all managed from one app. It's a step up if you want more structure than a basic spending account, but still want everything digital. Third is Sophie. Sophie combines banking with investing and credit tools inside one system. That matters if you want your banking app to also handle saving, investing, and long-term money planning without switching platforms. Fourth is Varo. Varo Bank is built around mobile-first banking with no monthly fees and early direct deposit features. It's often used by people who want simple banking with slightly more flexibility around cash flow timing. Fifth is Cash App. Cash App goes beyond payments by offering a basic debit card and spending account inside the same app. It's useful if you already use it for sending money and want to keep everything in one place. To put this together, all 5 apps replace different parts of what Current does, but each one leans in a different direction. Chime and Varo stay closest to simple mobile banking. Ally and Sophie add more full financial tools. Cash App focuses on convenience and everyday payments. If you're switching, the main thing to look at is what you actually use Current for right now. If it's just spending and getting paid, a simpler app works fine. If you're trying to build savings or invest, a more full-service platform makes more sense. Pick one based on whether you want simplicity, financial tools, or payment convenience. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of money apps without the confusion.